Would you rather have $1 million today or a single penny that doubles every day for 30 days? Most people take the million. And most people just lost over $4 million. Because by day 30, that penny is worth more than $5.3 million. That's the power of compound interest. And in the next few minutes, you'll learn how to make it work for you and why it might already be working against you. Compound interest is simple. Your money earns money, and then those earnings start earning money too. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts tiny, but as it keeps rolling, it grows faster and faster. Imagine Rio invests $10,000 into an S&P 500 index fund earning an average of 7% per year. He doesn't add another dollar. After 10 years, it's about $20,000. After 20 years, around $40,000. After 30 years, nearly $80,000. His investment earned almost $70,000 simply because he gave it time. But here's what surprises most people. The amount you invest isn't the biggest factor. When you start matters even more. Meet Sarah and Jake. Sarah invested $300 a month from age 25 to 35, then never invested another dollar. Jake waited until 35, then invested $300 every month for the next 30 years. Jake invested 3 times more money. So, who had more at age 65? Sarah. Her 10-year head start gave compound interest decades to grow. Time beat money. That's why waiting to invest is so expensive. You're not just losing today's returns, you're losing years of future growth. But compound interest has another side. And it's one most people experience before they ever start investing. Compound interest doesn't care whether it's helping you or hurting you. Credit card debt compounds too. The average credit card charges around 24% interest, more than 3 times the long-term average return in the stock market. A $5,000 balance can end up costing you more than double what you originally borrowed if you only make minimum payments. The same math that builds wealth can also destroy it. So here's the playbook. Pay off high-interest debt first. Start investing as early as you can, even if it's only $50 a month. And automate your investments, because consistency is what makes the snowball keep growing. Compound interest isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about letting time do the work that you can. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. If this video helped you understand money a little better, subscribe for more simple explanations that can make a big difference to your financial future.